Okay, a lot of folks want to know if they can leave your freeze misers on the faucet year round. Yes, you can. The freeze misers are tested, and we actually test them to a temperature of 120 degrees and all the way down to minus 20. So they'll withstand the heat. We're here in Texas. But if you do want to take them off, and we recommend you get you a Ziploc bag, turn your water off, unscrew the freeze miser, get the water out, and basically stick it in the Ziploc bag, seal it, roll it up, and go put it in your freezer. And that way you know where it is, and I'll show you why we tell you to put them in the freezer here shortly. Okay, it's fall, and now I'm ready to use my freeze miser, and you can see it's in the Ziploc bag. What I'm going to do is open it up, and you will see that this rod is completely down in the open position. And what we're going to do is walk outside and go put it on a faucet and test it. Okay, now we're outside. As you can see, the freeze miser is still in the open position. And so what's going to happen is we're going to screw this onto the faucet, and the water is going to run right through the freeze miser in the wide open position. And what it's doing, it's going to allow the warm water to run through here. In about 3 to 4 minutes, the rod's going to completely shut, and you'll know your freeze miser is ready to go. So right now, this water is probably about 65 degrees coming around this brass, and what it's doing is thawing the thermal wax out, and it's going back to a liquid state, and slowly that rod is pushing shut, and it'll completely shut off here in about 10 seconds. Here you can see it starting to diminish now. Now the freeze miser is completely shut off, and now you're winterized and ready to go. Faucet's on, freeze miser's ready to protect your faucet and your pipe in the wall.